Everybody, in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the snorkel on your DR650. Alright, let's get to it. We're going to start by removing both these side covers so that we can remove the seat, and then we'll have access to that snorkel. You can just use a regular Phillips for these side covers. I do have my JIS number 2 screwdriver here. If you got one of these Suzukis, you're going to want to get one of these anyways, especially when we get into the carb later. But you definitely want to get one of these. I think I got this on Amazon for like 10 bucks. Don't lose your washers. Out from there, it kind of holds in that way there. There's your cover on that side. We'll move to the other side. Take the cover off on this side. This one's got a little bit different of a washer on the back. Put your hand under here so you can catch that. That washer there. And then same as the other side, this way to bring it out. Alright, other side covers off. Alright, then we got 12mm size here on both sides. Take those off. And the other side. Alright, we got both the side covers off, both these bolts out on the side, and that's pretty much it for removing the seat. All you gotta do now is kind of grab it from the back and push out this way, and your seat's out. Super easy to take it out. Alright, now we got the seat out, you can see the snorkel exposed here. So that's pretty much it right there. All you gotta do to take it out, yank it out of there. And that is it. Now a lot of people are cutting the airbox open. On this one, I'm not going to cut it open yet. I'm going to kind of go in stages. We'll just call this stage 1. But after removing the snorkel here, we're going to get into the carb and do a couple carburetor adjustments. Basically adjusting the needle and the mixture valve. But in this video, we're just going to be showing you how to remove the snorkel. I'll put that in another video for all the carb adjustments. I'll do a specific video just for that. Well, that's it for the snorkel. One more thing I want to show you. This vent hose is kind of tucked up over here. We're going to move it out of the way just in case it does need to vent. It won't vent directly into the airbox here. It's a vent hose that comes off the top of the carburetor. So we'll move that there, leave that over here. This was already kind of bent up there, so we'll bend that down so that sits there. Other than that, that's it for the snorkel removal.